Let's do unboxing. This one arrived today. Guess what it is? Anyone can guess? Right, let's see. Let's reveal. Let's reveal. What is this? Actually, I can't open. I don't know how to open this. I need something. Maybe some sort of a pencil or pen to open. I just ordered this yesterday and actually it arrived very quick. Oh, I just broke the pencil. To get something. Come on, what can I use? Oh, I hope this one will do. I'm going to murder it. I'm not good on this. The thing is, I'm excited to open. Right. This is the item that I bought in Amazon yesterday. And I'm hoping, finger crossed, it's going to work. It doesn't look big, but it says it works really fine. So let's see. I can see a white box. Right, take that away. And that is the manual. Hang on, how to open? Oh, I'm not good on this. Oh, it's coming. Ta-da! This is it. I can't wait to use it because this is good if you got asthma. It will clear the air. It will clear the dust that is hanging around, the moist that is hanging around. So anyway, even you don't have asthma, you really need to have like this in your room. I have it